Pokhara is a smaller city in Nepal not too far from the Annapurna region. It is absolutely beautiful with a subtropical climate, somewhat humid, and it's also got a very beautiful lake where you can do kayaking or canoeing. And I decided that Som and I were going to take a canoeing trip on the lake. And we could go to the other side and we could see different areas of Pokhara. And I must say, the lake was beautiful beyond all reason, and it was just so calm compared to being in Kathmandu. And it was a really nice place to visit. You must visit Pokhara when you're in Nepal, because Pokhara is definitely the place where you'll feel most like you're at home. Oh, before we got in the canoe, there were many pigeons. It was just hard to believe just how many pigeons there were. So after that, we set out at sail in the lake, and it was lovely, although I could tell that it was very overcast, which made me think that a severe thunderstorm may come soon. Alright guys, so I am in a canoe in Pokhara. We're looking around the lake, and yeah, there's quite a bit to see. So over there is the mountain where you can do the zip line, like the zip line that goes straight down, or you can do like paragliding. Over there is like the city of Pokhara. Over there's some hillside homes. Alright guys, so it seems that a storm is coming in, so we're about to duck in the corner. We can get out and take a rest over there, because yeah, it's looking a little stormy. How are you feeling, Sami?
Scary. I can see like no waves.
Oh yeah, the waves are coming up a little bit.
I need help.
Alright guys, so we're ducking here for just a little bit before the storm stops. Woo! I can feel the breeze for sure. There could be some tides that come with this.
Bye.
Oh look, there's two people still rowing boats out there. Back on the boat, so it seems that the thunderstorm has now passed and cleared up. I gotta say, that was a little bit scary, but it seems to be over now. The major storm lasted for about 1 hour. We had ducked on a remote shore on the other side of Pokhara Lake, where we had to duck and cover. But after that, the storm ended, and we could sail back to where we started the canoeing trip. And after that, we could go home. Alright guys, well I can say the boat ride was a lot of fun. Especially when that storm came in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Check out these links to some of my other videos. Feel the burn for Bernhardt's World, and take care, everybody. And it is raining again, so stay awesome.